Whoever this message is for, I keep hearing, you're getting your life back. Take this however this resonates. If this has found you, there might be a message inside of here from your ancestors, from your angels and spirit. Whew. My name is Melissa. If you're new, welcome. So yeah, I have whole body chills right now. Take this however this resonates, but I'm hearing you're getting your life back. And I feel like you just went through something, you know, over the last couple of months, couple of years. I'm seeing a series of different things now. You've went through a lot of different things that, oh God, I feel like stripped you bare. Maybe you've lost a lot of friends, romantic relationships over the years. Maybe you're something with your home life, career, like something ended, something changed, you moved, like just dramatic endings is what I'm hearing. And you've been through like difficult situations through those experiences as well. And what it did was strip you bare, but also get you to this point with yourself, this level of vulnerability with yourself and God. Yeah. Oh God, I can hear God speaking very strong right now, saying, and I'm going to restore everything for you now, my love. Oh my God. I really feel like this next timeline, this next era of your life, this next chapter, don't try to rush this process. Don't try to rush what God wants to do for you. Don't try to rush what God wants to do for you. To what you want to do for you, by the way, also, because you are God. You are, and let's remember the I am experience, like that you chose this, you like this restoration, like this liberation, this new beginning is destined. My God, that just got me so emotional. There's so much power behind this message. Okay, you have the Sun card peeking out on the background, which is literally about this brand new beginning, this abundance in more ways than one, and not in the superficial, greedy way, in the materialistic way. Like, yes, you have everything you need in your material world in this next chapter. Like, you've probably had to deal with a lot of lack and scarcity, and also understand greed and gluttony. And I'm hearing that this next chapter, like your material world, your emotional world, it's abundant. It's abundant in love. It's abundant in beauty. Like I said, God stripped you bare down to yourself and your connection to all that is, to then shift this next era of your life. Jesus Christ. Some of you, this is love coming in. Some of you, this is a romantic offer with somebody, and then you have the Magician and the Mirror on the background, and that there's hostilities peeking out. Like, that's that shit I was talking about that you had to deal with, that hostile energy. I feel like it's coming to a close. I feel like it's coming to an end now. The Magician in the Mirror and a man holding a heart. So this has to do with the power that you have to wield your reality, to create the reality that you want to live in, understanding the I am experience, understanding your intention, your actions, and how everything within you creates your external around you. And we're all figuring this out on an individual scale, which is going to affect us on a collective scale. This is a part of the prophecy that is unfolding on our planet. This card coming out with this, some of you, there really is romantic offers. I did mention that love was something that maybe was difficult for you. And I'm feeling that I'm just hearing God is restoring it all. God is restoring it all in this chapter for you. Wow. Don't try to rush this process. I'm hearing, if you knew it was destined, remember you planned this before you came, this liberation in your life. If you knew it was destined, you would not try to rush the process or force anything. Flow. Rest. Flow. Take aligned actions that feel good. Follow what feels good. That is where God wants you to go. What feels good to your heart and your soul. What feels good to be of greater good to the world. That good. My sentence got messed up there, but being good, of greater good to this world. Follow the good, follow the good. That's where God is. Okay. Wow. If this found you, I'm honored to connect with you. And I'm sorry for what you had to go through and what you had to face. His timeline is different. Thank you, Great Spirit. This lifetime is different. Thank you, Great Spirit. This lifetime is different. Thank you. Wow. Okay. If you made it to the end, drop a sun emoji in the comments. A sun emoji, a heart emoji, a sun and a heart. Whatever one you prefer. Whichever one you want to do. If you want to. Oh, and if you would like to dive into a personalized reading or private session, I would be honored to hold that space for you. There is limited space for private sessions each month, so check that out and see if there's any space available. The personalized readings, I would love to also hold that space and connect with you. Everything I offer, everything I offer is linked in my description, so go ahead, check it out there. I got the spring sale event going on for all of my workshops and my offers right now. So if you're interested, check that out. Okay. Have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. And I will see you in the next aligned channeled message that's for you. Goodbye for now.